When you place your order, you'll receive an impression wax kit in the mail. Inside the kit, you'll find 3 wax rings, numbered preference stickers, a card explaining our 6-month price guarantee, return post bag, a ring sizer, a return card, and a gel pack to be frozen for warmer weather. Before you begin, use the ring sizer to measure your finger so the final piece fits comfortably. Your size will be whatever letter the arrow is pointing to. Your ring size will determine how much space is available for impressions, so please follow the guide on your return card when creating them. To start, make sure everyone taking part is ready as the wax heats and cools quickly. Hold the wax ring just above a small flame, gently rotating it until the surface becomes slightly glossy and soft. Once warm, support the underside of the ring and press gently but firmly to create your impression. The key is even heat and steady pressure. You can create multiple impressions on the same ring by heating and pressing into the wax at various points. If you aren't happy with the impressions, simply reheat the wax and try again. Each wax ring can be reheated several times, but if it becomes thin, cracked, or collapses, simply move on to another wax. Place your finished wax impressions back in the containers and return them using the included packaging. Your wax impression will then be used to create your final piece using the lost wax casting method, transforming your impression into solid metal jewelry.